All right, we're getting ready. I'm going to switch to the cubes, and you're just going to pick one super fast. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Which one? Point to it. Point. That one. Number 2. All right. We did it. Go for it. This is the trick. When we obsess over it, it doesn't work as well. So, Let's go, buddy. Let's get it going. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? A rare! Which we have. Well, I do like that one. It's Anakin as he's turning.
Yeah.
Order 66. We have a couple of those. So, what do you think? Tomorrow, are we going back to Disney, or are we going to stick with Star Wars? Let's take a look at the backpack. Then you decide. Maybe.
I'd say...
Oh, we have to do one more Star Wars to even them out.
It's just... Yeah.
Hey,
It's one more Star Wars.
You want to do it right now? Let's do it right now.
Yeah.
All right.
Which one? If you guys didn't hear us, we're doing it
right
now.
What's it going to be?
This one. The
This
one
one
hanging off.
off.
Yeah. Get it right away.
We couldn't resist.
Yeah, we just got it. We have to do it.
Yeah. Because we love it.
Yeah.
Because it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Come on. Dun, dun. Come on, baby! And it's a common invader. He's so mean and scary.
But also cute.
Because he's been cryptoified.
Yeah, cryptofied.
All right. Well, now, I don't know what we're going to do. But now we've got, look, 20. We've got 5 of these, and we have 15 of these. So we'll see. Are we going to continue or go back? You're going to have to tune in tomorrow to find out. That's what I say.
Yep, me too.
Sounds good. We'll see you guys then.